How to move your Documents folder to another drive in Windows 11. So you may want to move your Documents folder over from your C drive to your D drive. Now to do this, you need to head into the drive that you want to move your documents to. So mine's going to be my D drive like this. Now once you're inside of the drive, you need to go and right click somewhere, click on New, and then go and select Folder. Now go and give this the name of Documents and then press Enter. Now once this folder's been created, you then need to find your Documents folder. So this should be the main Documents folder that's already saved on your C drive. Now once you've found this folder, go and right click on Documents and then click on Properties. Now select Location and then click on Move. Now all you need to do is go and locate the Documents folder that we just created. So I'm going to come over to my D drive and select Documents and then press Select Folder. You then need to press Apply. You'll get this warning message pop up. Just go and press Yes, and then you can press OK. Now once you've done this, all of your old documents in your C drive will now be moved over to the D drive.